Are you looking to buy a house in a family-friendly neighborhood that has an entertainer's backyard that's maybe minutes away from a sandy beach? I've got the perfect house for you. Welcome to 23046 Sonoyta. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2150 square feet, just under 6,000 square foot lot listed for $1.397. Come take a look. Are you ready to go inside? Come on. Welcome in. First, we are greeted by this amazing, spacious, formal living area. Check out the vaulted ceilings. We have natural light from the skylight. And over here in the corner is the formal dining area. And the kitchen, this is where the magic happens. We have nice open space. We have plenty of cabinet space for storage and eating area just right over here that overlooks the main living area. And down here, the main living area, this is where it's cozy. This is where you can cuddle up on the couch on a cold winter night with the fireplace on and maybe watch a nice movie. You're close to the backyard as well, where you could go out and enjoy. But before we do that, don't forget to check out the downstairs bedroom and full bathroom with a shower. Oh, there you are. Come on, come up here. I want to show you the bedrooms. Before we go into the primary bedroom, I'm going to save the best for last. Let's take a look at the secondary bedrooms. And we have the full bath that is shared with the bedrooms. And welcome to the primary bedroom. Peaceful, spacious, and it also has this cool little retreat area that you could use for yoga, meditation, office. And we can't forget the primary bathroom. There you are. I wondered where you went, but I don't blame you for coming into this backyard, this amazing backyard. Let me show you a few things. One of the things I really love about it is the raised patio seating area, the beautiful landscaped yard, and plenty of space to do whatever you'd like to make it your own. Hey, if you like that video and you want to see more, make sure to comment and subscribe. And if you're thinking of making a change, contact me today for a free consultation. My information is at the end of the video.